at the train station. Lainey's being a grump. We are on the way. Johnson been pussyfooting all morning. It is 7:15. Mama been in the car for 10 minutes waiting on. Here she come. Finally. Scan your ticket. Skip to. Okay, so I gotta scan y'all's tickets. Hold on. So we got.
This has your brightness at 100%.
Oh. Oops. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Oh shoot. Okay, so please allow a few. Okay, so whoever going through first, be ready. Wait a minute.
80 before 75.
Okay. Okay. They got like little kids on. This is cute.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
Good morning, Brightline guests. We are currently boarding the 8:20 a.m. train to Orlando with stops in Boca Raton and West Palm Beach on track 2.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never.
Coach 2. So we need to go down more. Oh, they gotta close off. Yeah, we in coach 2. Track 2.
This
We're on
side
that
is
side.
for Miami. Train to Orlando is track 2.
We're on this side. Oh, so we probably closer to this end because it goes 5, 4. Yeah, we're gonna be down closer to this end. Yeah. It don't matter because we're gonna have to go because we in. It says coach 5, coach 4. We in coach 2. So once we get on, we're gonna have to go toward the back. Is it open back there for you to go back that way or no? We gotta stay right here. Say hi, Mom. Hi. We're at the train station. Lainey's being a grump. Her back hurting. That's the train to Miami back there. Our train is gonna come on this track. I think we're gonna have to just walk through. I don't want y'all to just come on and get on. I'd rather y'all be on here and us walk through in here than be trying to get on here. We in 2. It ain't that bad actually. You got a little ways to go. Oh, sorry.
Yo no lo conozco.
2. Are we even I'm giving you the wrong numbers because they got them like the first 3 So we in 2A. Wait a minute.
Good morning and welcome aboard Brightline.
We in
Please ensure
3.
you're seated in your correct coaching seat. Train attendants may come through to verify tickets.
We made it on the train. Begrudgingly. Careful. I don't know what's happening with my Santa hat, but we are stopped in West Palm Beach. My mother has commandeered my headphones.
There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on.
We will be arriving in Orlando shortly, which is our final stop. Please gather your belongings. If you checked in baggage with us today, please proceed to guest services for pickup. For ground transportation, rideshare, and car rentals, please follow posted signs at the exit of the station. If you're catching a flight, exit the station and follow signs to terminals A, B, and C. Thank you for riding Brightline. We look forward to seeing you aboard again soon.
We're in Orlando. I don't know why it's too bright outside. You can't see. The train ride was nice, but it was freezing.
Welcome to Orlando. Have a bright day. Bienvenidos a Orlando. Que tenga un
Got the alligators over there. Maybe Christmas tradition. It seemed like the things are far away from you though, don't it? Even with this, it was real far to me. I don't know, because even when you pull this out, it was like, when I was trying to type, I was like, oh, this is terrible. She's a nut.